In the Nevada desert lies a building so vast it's visible from space. But what makes this structure truly remarkable is not its size, it's what it doesn't do. It doesn't pollute, it doesn't waste energy, and it doesn't rely on fossil fuels. This is Tesla's Nevada Gigafactory, currently the world's largest net zero building, and it's revolutionizing how we think about industrial facilities. At 5.4 million square feet, 3 times the size of New York's Central Park, the Gigafactory is a testament to thinking big. But Tesla doesn't just build big, they build smart. Elon Musk calls it the machine that builds the machine, a facility that is intelligently designed to function as one integrated system. The story began in 2014 when Tesla announced plans for a new manufacturing facility. After intense competition between states, Nevada won the project, committing to $3.5 billion in investments by 2024. Tesla has already exceeded that, investing over $6.2 billion, transforming both the local economy and the Nevada manufacturing landscape. The heart of this net zero achievement lies above. The factory's massive roof hosts what will eventually be 200,000 solar panels, generating 24 megawatts of clean electricity. But Tesla didn't stop there. Even the 43-acre parking lot will be covered with solar arrays, transforming spaces typically exposed to Nevada's harsh sun into power-generating assets. The solar installation is a marvel of engineering in itself. Starting with just 3.2 megawatts in 2021, the system has grown steadily, with satellite imagery showing at least a 25% increase in coverage by early 2022. This perpetual expansion mirrors the building's phased construction approach, allowing the facility to maintain net zero status even as it grows. But generating clean energy is only half the story. The Gigafactory's designers embraced the desert environment instead of fighting it. At night, when temperatures drop, the facility creates excess chilled water for use during hot days. This system slashes electricity use by 40% and water consumption by 60%. The building harvests the desert's naturally dry air to reduce the need for energy-intensive dehumidifiers. This isn't just about saving energy, it's about rethinking industrial processes from the ground up. Every manufacturing step, traditionally powered by natural gas, has been reconfigured to run efficiently on electricity. Inside, artificial intelligence orchestrates the efficiency, including a climate control system. Smart LED lighting adapts to human and manufacturing needs, saving 144 megawatt-hours monthly. That's equivalent to driving a Tesla Model S 480,000 miles. The facility's battery manufacturing process presented unique challenges. Traditional methods generate intensive heat requiring massive cooling systems. Tesla's solution uses one of the world's largest thermal storage tanks, demonstrating how you can transform energy-intensive processes into models of efficiency. The Gigafactory's commitment to sustainability extends beyond energy. Construction generated 83% less waste than comparable projects, thanks to extensive prefabrication techniques. Today, 75% of operational waste is diverted from landfills, and a new wastewater treatment plant will recycle 90% of processed water on-site. Tesla's engineers have developed new methods for the battery manufacturing process itself, utilizing responsibly sourced raw materials. The new process eliminates 30 tanker truck rolls weekly to off-site processing centers, showing how sustainability can improve operational efficiency. Perhaps most importantly, the Gigafactory can become an innovation catalyst. Tesla challenged its vendors to think differently, resulting in solutions that could transform manufacturing processes worldwide. The facility's impact extends beyond its walls. As part of the Tahoe Reno Industrial Park, it is attracting other technology companies and creating a hub for sustainable manufacturing. Lithium-ion batteries have become one of Nevada's top exported commodities, demonstrating how green technology can drive economic growth. As we face the urgent need to decarbonize industry, the Gigafactory stands as more than just a building. It's a blueprint for the future. With vision and commitment, even the most energy-intensive facilities can achieve net zero status. This isn't just Tesla's machine that builds machines. It's a model that could help to build a sustainable industrial future. The Gigafactory shows us that the factories of tomorrow don't have to choose between productivity and sustainability. They can and must achieve both. As this desert factory continues to expand, it's not just building batteries and electric vehicles, it's contributing to a cleaner industrial future. The Gigafactory is more than a manufacturing facility. It's a preview of what's possible when someone reimagines industrial design from the ground up. As other manufacturers follow Tesla's lead, we might look back on this desert innovation as the moment when sustainable manufacturing became not just possible, but inevitable.